It's been a year. We've definitely missed you guys. Come along as we renovate this 1916 historical home. This historical home has been many things over the years, and for us, it has been a salon. And now, it's an Airbnb. We started this remodel in January of 2023, and here we are now in January 2024. Finally posting the footage. We've now already experienced our first season having this B&B up and running, and we love it. We love the charm this house has. We love having a piece of history for others to come to our beautiful town to enjoy. Thanks for sticking with us through all of this. We have more fun things to share, and yes, that includes a full Airstream renovation, Jeep overlanding trips, and a van. Stay steady.